Debt can be an overwhelming and paralyzing burden, affecting your financial stability and overall well-being. Whether it's credit card debt, student loans, medical bills, or a mortgage, dealing with debt requires a strategic approach, discipline, and commitment. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you regain control of your finances and work towards a debt-free future. Understanding the root cause of your debt. Before embarking on the journey to becoming debt-free, it's crucial to understand how you got into debt in the first place. This self-assessment will help you identify the behaviors and circumstances that led to your current financial situation and prevent future debt accumulation. Reflect on your spending patterns and financial habits. Are you living beyond your means? Are you using credit to cover everyday expenses? Understanding these patterns is the first step in making necessary changes. It might be helpful to consider any major life events or emergencies that have contributed to your debt, such as medical expenses, job loss, or unexpected home repairs. Creating a realistic budget. A budget is a powerful tool that can help you manage your finances more effectively. By creating a realistic budget, you can ensure that you live within your means while allocating funds towards debt repayment. Start by tracking your income and expenses for a month. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is going and help you identify areas where you can cut back. Categorize your expenses into essentials, such as rent, utilities, and groceries, and non-essentials, such as dining out and entertainment. Set spending limits for each category and aim to reduce your non-essential spending. For example, you might decide to cook at home more often instead of eating out, or to cancel unused subscriptions. Increasing your income. While cutting back on expenses is crucial, increasing your income can significantly accelerate your debt repayment process. Consider ways to boost your earnings, such as taking on a part-time job, freelancing, or starting a side business. You might also explore opportunities for overtime or bonuses at your current job. Another option is to sell unused items around your home. From clothes to electronics, many people have valuable items they no longer need. Platforms like eBay, Craigslist, or Facebook Marketplace can help you turn these items into extra cash that can be put towards your debt. Choosing a debt repayment strategy. There are several debt repayment strategies you can use to pay off your debt systematically. The two most popular methods are the debt snowball and debt avalanche methods. The debt snowball method involves paying off your smallest debts first, regardless of interest rate. This method can be motivating as you see debts disappear quickly, giving you a sense of accomplishment and encouraging you to keep going. The debt avalanche method focuses on paying off debts with the highest interest rates first. This approach can save you money in the long run by reducing the amount of interest you pay over time. Both methods have their advantages, so choose the one that best fits your financial situation and personal preferences. Consolidating your debt. Debt consolidation involves combining multiple debts into a single loan with a lower interest rate. This can simplify your debt repayment process and potentially save you money on interest. There are several ways to consolidate debt, including balance transfer credit cards, personal loans, and home equity loans. Balance transfer credit cards often offer a low or 0% introductory interest rate for a limited period. If you can pay off your balance within this time frame, you can save a significant amount on interest. Personal loans can provide a fixed interest rate and repayment term, making it easier to plan your budget. Home equity loans use your home as collateral, which can result in a lower interest rate but also carries the risk of losing your home if you fail to repay the loan. Negotiating with creditors. In some cases, you may be able to negotiate with your creditors to reduce your debt or create a more manageable repayment plan. Contact your creditors to discuss your situation and see if they are willing to offer a lower interest rate, waive fees, or accept a reduced lump sum payment. Creditors are often willing to work with you if they believe it increases their chances of getting repaid. Be honest about your financial situation and explain why you are struggling to make payments. It may also be helpful to seek the assistance of a credit counseling agency, which can negotiate on your behalf and provide additional financial advice. Managing and reducing expenses. Cutting back on expenses is a crucial part of getting out of debt. Look for ways to reduce your spending without significantly impacting your quality of life. Consider downsizing to a smaller apartment or moving to a more affordable area if you're renting, or refinancing your mortgage if you own your home to secure a lower interest rate. Implement energy-saving practices like using energy-efficient appliances, turning off lights when not in use, and reducing water consumption. Many utility companies offer budget billing plans to help manage monthly expenses predictably. Save on transportation costs by using public transportation, carpooling, or biking to work, and consider selling a second vehicle if possible. Shop smart by taking advantage of sales, coupons, and discount stores for groceries and household items, and plan your meals in advance to avoid impulse purchases. Opt for free or low-cost entertainment options such as community events, parks, and libraries, and limit dining out by choosing home-cooked meals instead. Building an emergency fund. While it might seem counterintuitive to save money while paying off debt, having an emergency fund is crucial to prevent accumulating more debt in the future. Aim to save at least $1,000 initially and gradually build up to 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This fund can cover unexpected expenses. By having a financial cushion, you can handle emergencies without derailing your debt repayment progress, ensuring you remain on track towards achieving financial stability and freedom. Staying motivated and accountable. Getting out of debt is a long-term commitment that requires perseverance and dedication. Stay motivated by setting small, achievable goals and celebrating your progress along the way. Share your goals with a trusted friend or family member who can provide support and hold you accountable. Sharing your experiences and challenges can provide encouragement and new ideas for managing your finances. Seeking professional help. If you're struggling to make progress on your own, consider seeking professional help from a credit counselor or financial advisor. A credit counselor can provide personalized advice, help you create a budget, and negotiate with creditors on your behalf. It's important to look for a reputable, nonprofit credit counseling agency to ensure you receive unbiased assistance. These organizations are dedicated to helping you manage your debt without the pressure of profit-driven motives. Additionally, a financial advisor can help you develop a comprehensive financial plan that includes debt repayment, saving for retirement, and building wealth. Financial advisors can provide valuable insights and strategies tailored to your specific financial situation, helping you make informed decisions about your money. They can also assist you in setting realistic financial goals and developing a long-term plan to achieve them. By working with professionals, you can gain the knowledge and support needed to take control of your finances and work towards a more secure financial future. Using technology to manage your finances. In today's digital age, there are numerous tools and apps available to help you manage your finances more effectively. These tools can help you track your spending, create a budget, and monitor your progress toward becoming debt-free. Some popular personal finance apps include Mint, Enab, You Need a Budget, and Every Dollar. These apps offer features such as expense tracking, budget creation, and goal setting, making it easier to stay on top of your finances. Mint allows you to link your bank accounts, track your spending in real time, and receive alerts for unusual transactions. Enab focuses on helping you allocate every dollar you earn, encouraging you to live within your means and save for future expenses. Every Dollar provides a user-friendly interface for budgeting and tracking expenses, helping you to set financial goals and monitor your progress. By leveraging these digital tools, you can gain better control over your financial situation and work more efficiently towards becoming debt-free. Investing in financial education. Knowledge is power when it comes to managing your finances. Investing time in learning about personal finance topics such as budgeting, saving, investing, and credit management is essential. There are numerous resources available, including books, online courses, podcasts, and blogs, which can provide valuable insights and practical tips. By educating yourself, you can make more informed financial decisions and develop strategies to avoid debt in the future. Consider taking a financial literacy course or attending workshops to deepen your understanding of financial management. Additionally, joining online forums or communities focused on personal finance can provide support and advice from others who are also working towards financial stability. Regularly updating your knowledge and staying informed about financial trends can help you adapt to changes and maintain control over your finances. Maintaining a debt-free lifestyle. Once you have successfully paid off your debt, it's important to maintain the habits and strategies that help you become debt-free. Continue to live within your means, save for emergencies, and invest in your future. Avoid taking on new debt unless absolutely necessary, and use credit responsibly. Regularly review your financial situation and adjust your budget as needed. Life circumstances can change, and it's important to stay proactive in managing your finances. Celebrate your achievements and use your newfound financial freedom to pursue your goals and dreams. Getting out of debt is a challenging but rewarding journey that requires discipline, commitment, and a strategic approach. By understanding the root cause of your debt, you can achieve financial freedom and take control of your financial future. Stay focused on your goals, and remember that every step you take brings you closer to a debt-free life. If you've made it this far, let us know what you think in the comments section below. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.